When you create your Django project in a virtual environment or in your PC, by default, it is built in development mode. There are two modes. There's a development mode and then there is a production mode. So this is the message which you can see here. You are seeing this page because the debug is set to true. That's because we are in the local development environment. So when we go to the production part, we're going to set that to false. So let me show you where this comes in. So if you open your VS Code in your project and you can open this My Site folder, and from here you can see that there is a settings.py, and if you open this up, and let me just minimize this a little, and you can scroll down and you can see here security warning, don't run with the debug turned on in production. So since we are in development mode, the debug is set to true. But if you're going in production mode, you have to set this to false. So what happens here is all the error messages or all the problems or all the notifications about the errors are shown in only development mode. And when it is set to true, that is in development mode. But once you go in production mode, you have to set this to false because we don't want the users to see the error messages on the screen when the site goes live. So before making the site live and uploading it to the server, we have to set the debug to false.